Victoria Falls, often hailed as one of the most spectacular waterfalls on Earth, is a natural wonder nestled along the Zambezi River, marking the boundary between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Stretching across an astonishing width of more than 5,500 feet, 1,700 meters, this breathtaking cascade dwarfs even the renowned Niagara Falls, boasting twice the width and depth. As the Zambezi River reaches one of its broadest points, it plunges over the precipice with sheer force, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates all who behold it. The sheer drop of Victoria Falls reaches a staggering height of 355 feet, 108 meters, making it an awe-inspiring sight to behold. What sets Victoria Falls apart is not just its impressive dimensions, but also the sheer power and majesty it exudes. The Zambezi River doesn't hasten its pace as it approaches the edge. Instead, the approach is heralded by a deafening roar and a distinctive veil of mist, which blankets the surrounding area. It's no wonder the Kalololozi people aptly named it Mosio Etunya, or the smoke that thunders, a fitting tribute to the thunderous sound and misty spectacle that accompany the falls. The topography of Victoria Falls adds to its allure, with the lip of the precipice fragmented by small islands, depressions, and promontories. This fragmentation creates a dynamic and intricate display as the water cascades over the edge, further enhancing the grandeur of the falls. During periods of low river flow, certain sections of the fall's eastern portions may run dry, offering a stark contrast to the torrents of water that dominate during peak flow. With a mean flow of nearly 33,000 cubic feet, 935 cubic meters per second, Victoria Falls is a testament to the raw power of nature. Its beauty, scale, and the primal energy it exudes make it a must-see destination for travelers seeking awe-inspiring natural wonders. Whether you're marveling at the cascading water, feeling the mist on your skin, or simply taking in the thunderous roar, a visit to Victoria Falls is an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the forces that shape our planet. Victoria Falls is not just a sight to behold, it's an experience that engages all the senses and leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Standing on the edge of the gorge, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet from the sheer force of the water, is a humbling reminder of nature's immense power and beauty. Beyond its natural splendor, Victoria Falls offers a plethora of activities to immerse yourself in the wonder of the surroundings. Adrenaline junkies can get their fix with exhilarating adventures like bungee jumping from the iconic Victoria Falls Bridge, where the sheer height and thundering roar of the falls create the ultimate thrill. For those seeking a more leisurely experience, scenic helicopter flights provide a bird's-eye view of the majestic cascade and the sprawling landscapes that stretch out in every direction. But Victoria Falls is not just about adventure, it's also a sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for nature enthusiasts. The surrounding national parks teem with diverse flora and fauna, offering opportunities for unforgettable wildlife encounters. From elephant herds roaming the savanna to playful hippos lazing in the river, the biodiversity of the area is truly remarkable. Moreover, the cultural richness of the region adds another layer of fascination to the Victoria Falls experience. Local communities share their traditions and stories, offering visitors a glimpse into their way of life and adding depth to the journey. As the sun sets over the Zambezi, casting a golden glow over the cascading waters, one can't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude for being able to witness such natural beauty. Victoria Falls is not just a destination, it's a pilgrimage for the soul, a place where the wonders of nature and the spirit of adventure converge to create memories that last a lifetime. So, whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or simply someone in search of inspiration, make sure to add Victoria Falls to your bucket list. It's a journey you won't soon forget. At Victoria Falls, the adventure doesn't end when the sun goes down. As night falls, the atmosphere becomes enchanted, with the sound of cascading water mingling with the symphony of nocturnal creatures. Evening cruises along the Zambezi River offer a tranquil way to experience the falls from a different perspective, as the fading light casts a magical glow over the landscape. For those seeking a taste of local culture, traditional dance performances and storytelling sessions provide insight into the rich heritage of the indigenous peoples who call this area home. Engaging with local artisans and sampling traditional cuisine offer opportunities to connect with the vibrant tapestry of life that thrives in this corner of Africa. As you bid farewell to Victoria Falls, you carry with you not just memories of a spectacular natural wonder, but also a deep appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet. Whether you come seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a moment of awe-inspiring beauty, Victoria Falls delivers an experience that transcends expectations and leaves an imprint on your heart. So, pack your bags, embark on the journey of a lifetime, and let Victoria Falls work its magic on you.